friends, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'll be showing the different tools for blending graphite and charcoal. I'll also be showing the comparison between the blendings done by the different tools. So watch the video till the end. Let's start by knowing the different tools. So the first tool is brushes, especially makeup brushes. Now moving on to the second is cotton buds. These are the cheapest blending tool available in the market. Now the third is blending stumps, which are made by paper. You get these in different size also. Now moving on to the last is tissue paper, especially the tissue paper which is used for the faces as it is soft. So these are the four tools that can be used for blending. So now let's try them out and compare them. As you can see, I have shaded 4 boxes already for doing the blending. The upper part is graphite, whereas the lower part is charcoal. So I will blend with each tool on graphite and charcoal, and at last we can compare all of them and find out which tool is the best. So let's start with the makeup brushes. Now you can see the results before you. The brush has done good in both graphite and charcoal, and the buds, you can see that it has done good in graphite but not so much in charcoal. You can see the particles. And then moving on to the blending stump, you can see that it has done great in both graphite and charcoal. And going on to the tissue, it has done great in graphite and good in charcoal. I can still see a little bit particles, but you can see that graphite is pretty smooth here. So based on my opinion, I think blending stumps are great from these four. Tell your opinion in the comment section below. So I would recommend you to use all these 4 tools in a sketch as per their requirement for the best results. So the links of these tools are in the description below. So that's all, friends. I hope you have learned something from this video, and if so, give a like and comment on what topics should I be making videos. And if you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button below and press the bell icon to receive instant notifications on upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching the video and giving your support. Until next time, see you later. Bye bye.